Hello YouTube viewers, today I'm going to show you how to install some road safe tow points on this Nissan Patrol. Here are the road safe tow points. Each is rated at 5 tonne and there's both a left and a right hand version, and they come with 4 lots of M12 and 4 lots of M14 fasteners, each grade 12.9, as well as some nuts on the cable there. So this is the driver's side. This is the recovery hook that comes with the car. So we'll have to first remove that. And this is the passenger side, and the recovery point will just bolt into there. So that's the factory recovery point. Now we're taken off. Just as a size comparison, I'll just put the new one next to it. Now I'm just going to use some WD-40 just to clean out the nuts a bit, just to get them ready for when we put the new ones in. And just using a clean rag, just wipe it. I'll just let that dry for a little bit before we put the new ones on. So this is the driver's side recovery point, and we'll be fitting the 2 M14 fasteners like that and like that. So they'll be going in the slotted holes, and the tightening torque for them is between 182 and 265 Newton meters. So I've got a torque wrench which I've set to 210, so it's somewhere in between, and I'll be using some thread locker which we'll be putting on the threaded ends of the fasteners, and that'll help prevent rust, and it'll also help if ever you need to remove them, to help you take them off back again, and it'll prevent them from coming loose as well. So there's a few advantages in using it. Here we go. So I haven't even reached the torque spec yet, and you'll see that the spring washer on both of them actually is starting to flare out, and that might even fall out and loosen the whole thing. So what I'll do is I'll take that off again. I'll use just the flat washer and put a bit more thread locker on, and that'll function the same way as the spring washer anyway. Now we've got these M12 nuts welded onto this flat plate and then some sort of wire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break the wire off. It's not recommended in the instructions, but I'll show you why I've done that. So essentially it's going to act like a big flat washer, so that'll work in our favour. So the third bolt, the M12, will go through that hole like that, and then this nut which we broke that wire off will go there, so that'll sit nicely as a flat washer there. One down and one more left. Just show you a slightly different view. There and there. So this is the passenger side, and our recovery point will mount to those 2 points, as well as this third point here. Now you can see that it's a bit out of whack. And if we just go, there we go. So there's a gap big enough to easily put my finger through there. So what I've done is I've just put this this red bracket here, and I'll tighten the fastener and hope to bend this somewhat in place. And that's the finished work. That's the driver's side and the passenger side recovery points fitted. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.